WEICHAI WD615 diesel engine. Adopts classic inline 6-cylinder, water-cooled, turbocharged and intercooled structure. 9.7 to 6 displacement. Featuring robust tunnel type cylinder block and 1-cylinder one-head design. The power assembly delivers outstanding structural strength, anti-vibration performance and long-term operational stability. Widely recognized as a mature heavy-duty power platform, this engine boasts ample low-speed torque and high torque reserve, offering strong climbing ability and stable power output under full load, rough road and continuous working conditions. Optimized fuel injection and precise combustion control effectively lower comprehensive fuel consumption while cutting fleet owners' operating costs. The series covers multiple power versions from 240 horsepower to 375 horsepower, complying with Euro 2 and Euro 3 emission standards. With strong environmental adaptability, it runs reliably in high altitude, low temperature and dusty scenarios.